Hello friends, welcome to your channel. In this video, we will see how we could download and install Java in our Windows operating system. For this, in Google, we will search JDK download for Windows. Here the top option, Java downloads Oracle India and the website oracle.com. Click this link. JDK Development Kit 22.0.1 downloads. This is the latest version available. For different operating system, Linux, Mac OS, Windows, here we have options. Our OS is Windows, so we will click on the Windows tab. The option MSI installer, click the download link. Download has started. File size is 163 MB. Download is done. To install, we will double click it. Next, here the install location, keep it default. Next, installation has started. In this moment, a pop-up will come asking for permission to install. Installation is done. Now we need to set Java home and path in environment variables. For that, we need the path where we have installed Java. We will go to this PC, then C drive, program files, Java. At the time of installation, if your JDK is different version, then that version will come here after JDK. Click the JDK 22, then bin. Now we will copy the path. Right click here, then copy address. In your computer search bar, write environment. You will see the option edit the system variables. Click there, then go to environment variables. Under system variables, click path, then edit button below. New, paste the path here, then click the OK button. Now click on new button. In the variable name, type Java underscore home in capital letter. In variable value, again paste the path, but here we do not need the /bin section of the path. We need only tilde JDK version. So using keyboard, remove the /bin section of the path. Click OK. Again OK. OK. Now to check whether Java is installed or not, type cmd. Click on command prompt option. In the command prompt, type Java space -- version. Then press enter key in the keyboard. Here we could see Java 22.0.1. So that's it. If this video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe the channel to keep watching videos like this. See you in another video. Till then, bye and take care.